DIY lawn care can be challenging sometimes. Different products for different situations, when in reality, a lot of us just want green grass. To get my lawn super green by Halloween, I'm gonna need to kiss my lawn. Do you all know what KISS means? Keep it simple, stupid.
Daddy, that's a put down.
How about keep it simple, silly?
That's better.
Keep it simple, silly. There's around 2 weeks left until Halloween, so there's just enough time to get your lawn super green. The only thing is you need to work fast, faster than your traditional quick release fertilizer. And how do you go faster than quick release fertilizer? Well, I recommend using N-Charge. N-Charge is new to the next line of products. It's typically been reserved for lawn care professionals, and they've sworn by it for a long time now. The reason lawn care professionals like N-Charge is because it works fast. This is not quick release fertilizer. It's faster than that. You're basically punching your lawn in the face with nitrogen. Straight and pure nitrogen. While it's not officially labeled as such, it's a dual absorption fertilizer. Foliar application absorbs in around 5 minutes, and then you're gonna go ahead and water in the rest. So the grass will absorb the fertilizer from the leaf tissue and then also absorb it from the root system, which helps the nitrogen act fast. If your season still allows for it, because we all live in different places, you can apply N-Charge every 2 weeks throughout the fall. You apply this at a rate of 16 ounces per 1,000 square feet. You can actually go even higher, up to 24 ounces per 1,000, but that's for the most froggy of us. If you have a warm season lawn, St. Augustine, Bermuda, zoysia, centipede, I have Bermuda here in my backyard, I'd steer clear of N-Charge this time of year. Now, if you are still actively mowing 1 time a week, you could get away with applying it, but really, once you get to the fall, you kind of want to stop pushing a bunch of nitrogen on your warm season grass. So go ahead and stock up if you want to and get ready for next year, but right now, I'd go ahead and steer clear. If you have a cool season lawn like I do in the front yard of my tall fescue, you can go ahead and apply this, like I said, every 2 weeks throughout the fall. And then once your soil temperatures hit 40 degrees, do 1 more application as your winterizer, and then you're gonna go ahead and stop. Putting out all that nitrogen, your grass is gonna store it, and then coming out of the winter into the spring, your lawn is going to pop. My Bermuda backyard here, it's not quite checking out. There's still plenty of color, but ever since my robot mower messed up and stuff like that, and I put another one back here that I got to test out, it hasn't quite looked the same. I haven't been able to dial in the high to cut. It's just been weird, and you can tell it's kind of blotchy, and even putting out fertilizer right now isn't a good idea. So, keeping it mowed so it looks tidy, but other than that, the season's pretty much done back here. Just to summarize the application process of N-Charge, you want to use 16 to 24 ounces per 1,000 square feet. And you're mixing that with 2 gallons per 1,000 square feet. Most of the time we use 1 gallon of water per 1,000 square feet. For N-Charge, you use 2. If you're using a hose and sprayer, don't worry about that. You're getting more than enough water out with a hose and sprayer. But if you're using a backpack sprayer, 2 gallons per 1,000 square feet. And you want to let N-Charge sit on the lawn for 5 minutes to let that foliar absorption take place, and then water it in with a 1/2 inch of water, or time it with a rain if you can do that. Once you put out N-Charge, your lawn is going to be a deep green. It's going to be growing, and you're going to be showing off to your neighbors this Halloween. Now, if you have any questions, not just about N-Charge, but any of the next line of products, go ahead and comment those down below. We'll get those answers to you as quickly as we can. I will see you in the next video. Have a fantastic rest of your day. For those of you that your lawn season is now prime because we're in the fall, best of luck to you. If your lawn season's winding down because of where you are, hope your season went fantastic. And we'll talk later. God bless.